This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the backup can run smoothly. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and connected to Wi-Fi to avoid data charges. Once done, open your device settings, tap Google, then Backup. This gets you directly to the backup controls. You're doing this now because those steps grant the app permission to save app data, contacts, and settings. Make sure to pause other network-heavy tasks while you configure to prevent interruptions. Now enable backup and select the Google account you want to use. You do this so all items go to the same cloud location. Tap what to backup and include app data, call history, contacts, and device settings. Pick only what you need to save space. Make sure to choose Wi-Fi only if you want to avoid mobile charges and set automatic backup frequency so new changes sync without manual steps. Once configured, the system will queue the first full backup. Finally, tap Backup Now to kick off the upload and watch the progress indicator. This verifies your settings work. Make sure you have enough Google Drive space and that battery optimization won't block background activity, because low storage or aggressive power settings are common causes of failure. If the backup fails, sign out and back into your account, retry the backup, or clear the Google Play Services cache. These steps resolve most sync errors quickly and get your backup running.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.